Yo, come par aquí. Wow, dude. Botswana!
So come on, boys and gals. Let's have a barbecue.
Oh, Papagena.
This is the cinema.
Someone here already knows it. Well, go ahead. Just 25 calories is right.
Thanksgiving begins a very special time of the year for us. It's the time of peace and reflection.
A Charlie Brown Thanksgiving, sponsored by McDonald's.
From one end of the holiday table to the other, Kroger helps you serve the finest feast.
Above all, stay calm. It's Bugs Bunny's Thanksgiving.
You again.
Our Thanksgiving sale.
You know, some of the folks in this parade just have to be part of it.
Phoenix area Safeway stores are featuring Manor House Grade A turkeys. Over 18 parents.
Wow.
At a Thanksgiving roast turkey feast at Beef.
Pure vacca la macchina!
That's it, buddy. You're out of here.
No! Oh, hey, les moupis! Oh, papi! Ah, stoppa! Macarena, shush!
That's enough, fella. Move that turkey.
This message is brought to you by the World Health Organization, WHO. This message is meant for any family or individual that has purchased any product that contains turkey. If you happen to purchase any turkey product, throw it away immediately. Turkey used in most of these products has been identified with a new disease named prion disease, also named the brain wasting disease. Prion disease is a degenerative disease that attacks the brain. Prions are folded proteins that are infectious and multiply once in the brain. The infection process begins once an individual consumes infected meat. There is no known cure once infected. Symptoms of the disease include dizziness, confusion, nausea, vomiting of blood, sudden death, severe abdominal pain, and loss of memory. If you have been infected, stay away from family, friends, and pets. Blood vomited by infected individuals is highly infectious.
They do not pay me enough to deal with this baloney. Get up, get out.
Oh, c'est les pouillards! Bayou pudding! Oh, shh! Choucha! Sniffa, les potes, snip, 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 chat!